Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download TikTok videos without a watermark. Let's get started right away because it's quick and simple. First of all, open up your TikTok application. Next, find a video you would like to download without a watermark and tap the share button on the bottom right. Now, this menu will show up, and then we'll slide to the right side of the Share To button, navigate through it, and select Copy Link. Well, now that we've copied the link to that video, we'll exit out of TikTok and then go to a web browser. So I'm going to open up my Google Chrome over here and type in Download TikTok No Watermark. And then select this website named snaptic.app. And then right over here we'll paste the link that we copied previously. So paste it first and then tap the download button. And then after it converts, we'll get all these various download buttons. I'm simply going to select Download Server 1. And then that video should now be in our downloads. To view it, we'll exit here and then scroll up on our home screen to go to our applications. Tap on the search bar up top and search for Files, then open this app that says Files, and it'll be in your downloads once we're here. Then we'll go to Downloads and find the TikTok video that I downloaded from that website, and then if I tap on it and play it, you'll notice that it's the same TikTok video with no watermark. So there you have it, that's how you download a TikTok video without the watermark. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments section. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.